Yeah, and good morning to you once again, Mister. Thank you for something like this. And welcome. I'm thinking you are not rushing, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just give me 1 or 2 minutes to give you to share the good tip to buy the rice.
You're welcome.
Okay, let us start.
Thanks for your call.
In front of you, you can see there is so many types, and yet the color and the. Okay, make it like this. I just want to go to the first tip. The first tip is very important. Most of the customer, they're quite confused. When they're coming to Miri, especially they are not local, they are outside, they are looking for Bario. The Bario means there is one place in Miri that is the very popular for the Bario sauce and the rice. That is, they call it Bario. But meaning to say, in my store, we're selling so many type of rice. That is to be different varieties, and we got different color and different nutrition content. And very important is that the taste and what you need. So meaning to say now, the first step, I still go to my first step, is where the rice come from. That's make the people confused. One, the rice will be come from the lowland. Two, the rice will be coming up from the highland. Three, the rice also cannot come up from any other place surrounding Miri. That is totally, we got 3 different types where the rice come from. Okay, don't be confused. The best quality rice, the rice must be coming from the highland area. Are you happy with me? Are you agree with me?
I agree.
So when you go and see the price, that's make you totally confused. Because all the people, they are rushing for the good price and the good quality thing. I'm sure this is, I got to think. I'm not good in this. Good and cheap. Yes, you are correct. That is the meaning. That is the, I mean, if you want to get something, you must survey first. That is how the good customer is, like you. Okay? It should be like this. The first tip is very important, where the rice come from. That is number 1. Number 2 is very important. Some people got confused. They don't want to make, no, who doesn't want to understand what is the real the rice should be you are taking. I'm saying this, we are eating not to become fat. I'm right, mister?
You
To
want to
become
take
healthy. That is the point. See, I'm nearly 50.
You look
I'm
very
sorry.
fit, huh?
You good. Very good. You good. Very good. I salute you, because meaning to say you very take care of your food, what you are eating and drinking. And I'm sorry, are you smoking? I'm sorry. That is not. I cannot say anything.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I don't want to touch it.
It's a habit only.
Yes. My second tip is that looking for the smallest grain that you can in that store. The smallest grain means we are not using the fertilizer. That's why I suggest this one is the Highland rice. This one is the lowland rice. You can see the different receipts in front of you. Okay, meaning to say our rice or the Highland rice we never use fertilizer. That's why the taste can come up to that. That means all the taste that we like in the real rice, or the supposed to be the real condition of the rice itself, and the real taste is the original taste. Okay, and then possibly that is my second tip: looking for the smallest grain as you can. Okay, the smallest grain is the best quality rice. Okay, don't be confused. Somehow the people got very good in business. They try to make maybe some kind of 3 or 4 harvests 1 year, but we are not. This means they are for business, for you and me. But we are confused. Yeah, we are confused, totally confused. For example, I want to support what I'm saying. Everybody eat the chicken. The chicken they get from the market. It's totally very big, very fat. But the price is very low. But if you eat the chicken that is coming from the kampung, you don't want to eat. Totally, the human mind don't want to eat lazy chicken. But the content, you can see. The chicken that is from the kampung, they are good. They are not disturb your fat. They are not disturb your health. Okay, that is very good. They are bird. That eat in the market, they are not bird. You doesn't know what they are trying to feed. Everything. What doesn't need by your body, they eat also. Is it right? The thing that is from the dustbin or whatever, they recycle it back. Put as a fertilizer. And finally, you eat it back. That is not to the thing that it should go to your body. Okay, I'm sorry, mister, I'm talking so much.
Yeah, right. It's okay. I totally agree with you.
That is the fact. Okay, my third tips is very important. Very, very, very important. I'm asking you before I explain. All the people said, including me, we're still confused. I'm sure, very, very sure, 100% sure. The clean thing should be white. Is it right? But to the rice, the clean rice, the white is not a good quality rice. Now you are really confused.
Brown rice.
You are very confused. Me also really confused. So thank you very much. I'm proud that you stepped to my store. At least we share everything. We share our knowledge. I'm not good. I still get information from others. And now you are very lucky, mister. You stepped to the right store. Okay. The good quality rice, the color is not white. You can see just now. Can make the difference the color. This one is mostly likely 80% white. This one maybe 70 or 60% white. Okay, but you see the nutrition. That's why I'm telling you in the first place. We are eating not to become fat, not to become taller, not to become big. No, that is not the point to eating. We are become healthy, more skinny, more long life. Okay, that's it. You agree with what I'm saying? That is important. That's why I'm telling you. Nobody believes that I'm really beauty. Because I practice what is good. That's why you're very lucky you come, you can share what is not good. Something like this. Okay? Now we got ready 3 tips. Please looking for the color a little bit slowish and gray or something like this, yellowish a little bit. That is 99% the rice will be not milk. And the 99% the rice will be good quality rice. That is 3 tips. And my 4th tips, very, very important also. Very, very important. This one, many people is only, I'm sorry mister, maybe one of you is a doctor and pretty professional. Okay, I'm very proud that you stand in front of me. Okay. My 4th tip, when we are talking about the rice, most of the people, they scared to buy our rice. Because you know why? They said we go to something like insect. We got something like a black and white spot. That means the thing is totally already old. Very ugly. Maybe the thing should be thrown to the dustbin. But we are wrong. Totally our mind is wrong. When you come across there is something like a black, white insect or other obstacle thing inside the rice, that is a good quality rice. You know why? I'm asking you this very good question. We are not using a preservation. Is it right? We are not mixed with a chemical. We are not coloring. We are not something like that, the thing that is not good to our body. Is it? If you come across, just throw a little bit of that insect, just throw a little bit of that black and white spot. Is it? The thing is 100% you can eat. Totally make you healthy. Because if the thing can live there, for example, you can eat there, the thing is good. If you see the Chinese, I'm not thinking about the others' business, okay, I'm sorry. But no, many people know, unless that's why you are a doctor. You living in a good quality house. You are living in a good family. Suppose if there is one thing supposed to be something like other thing go inside, you think that is not good. I'm sure. I'm thinking also that is not good. But we are wrong sometimes. We are wrong. Okay? That is all my tips. But I give you a bonus tip. This is very, very important. Golden bonus tip. I don't force you to buy from my store. Nobody must take the big packet from my store. I don't want you to waste your money. I don't want you to waste whatever I'm saying. Just be careful. When you come, please, if you want to buy a small packet. Just all the thing that I said is important thing is that what I'm saying, suggestion and information. Please let your tongue answer. That's it. Because different people, different tastes. Let your tongue answer. I got so many people even ask. The rice, the content of the rice is totally not the same. The highland rice, the nutrition content is not the same with the lowland rice. And yet the rice of kampong is very good. Not the same content with other rice that's coming everywhere, even from import rice. That's why try to be more concerned what we are eating through our mouth. No matter
Comparing the lowland and highland, but the lowland rice also can eat lah.
Can. But always the good quality rice coming from the
But just
highland.
the quality only lah.
Yes. For example, the nutrition content. I'm not good mister, that's why. If you are a doctor, you can read it. There is a research. That is not me. That is a professional and doctor research. That is UPM. You can see the website there. It's my friend always helping me how to convince the people before they buy. Our rice, some there are a lot of vitamin A. Some there are a lot of vitamin B2. Some there are a lot of vitamin B12. Even some there got vitamin B6 and sulfur and whatever. Yeah? That is very good. Some they are very good for diabetes.